Just got out of my workout class and the instructor said something that really stuck out to me. We have times where we change up like how quickly we're doing an exercise or like slow and controlled. And she said, I know that we're changing the tempo, but just because the tempo changes doesn't mean your form does. And it made me think about developing the fruit of the Spirit in our lives and how it burns. Like it burns so badly when you're in the middle of exercising your faith, particularly in an area that you're weaker in. Like when we're working on core in that class, I'm shaking versus other parts of my body that are a little bit stronger. So some of you may be stronger in patience and weaker in discernment. Some of you may be stronger in choosing the joy of the Lord and walking in that. Some of you may be weaker in choosing the peace of God, right? So we all have our spiritual strengths and weaknesses, and the tempo of our life can change. The quickness and pace of which our life goes can be faster, but that doesn't mean our form changes. What does that look like in spiritual practice? That doesn't mean that the way in which we exercise our faith in God and practice the fruit of the Spirit changes. So if you're practicing patience, you practice patience in the same way in a slow paced season of life as you do in a quick paced season of life. This has been so evident to me from having 2 children, going from 0 children to 1 and then 1 child to 2. The tempo of my life has changed significantly and drastically every single time, but the Lord requires that I exercise the fruit of the Spirit in the same way. So regardless of how challenging it is, or if the tempo is slow or the tempo is fast, when you exercise your faith, it will produce results. You will end up making that fruit become richer and sweeter and riper in your life as you continue to exercise